Hi, welcome to Creative Nikita Chavda YouTube channel. Stop scrolling. Ever wondered why some YouTube videos get millions of views while others get ignored? It's not just luck, it's thumbnails. First things first, let's start with the right thumbnail size. Because trust me, you don't want a stretched out, blurry mess. Thumbnails with human faces get 40% more clicks. So, if you're shy, well, it's time to change that. Now, let's exaggerate those expressions. Because let's be real, would you rather click a boring face or a super excited one? Now, let's talk text, because if people can't read it in 3 seconds, they won't click. Colors matter a lot. A dull thumbnail, a vibrant, high contrast one? Yes, please. Now, let's add some spice. Graphics and icons can make your thumbnail stand out instantly. And finally, boom, your thumbnail is ready to break the algorithm. Now, let's save it the right way. And there you have it. You've just made a highly clickable YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Comment below which tip was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane Canva tricks. Like, subscribe, comment your favorite tip.